Okay guys, this is just the two things you need to create this video. Any kind of background at all of your choice. This is the background I used. After that, you get a photo of your shoe, any kind of shoe at all. Then after that, save the video to your gallery and head CapCut. Okay guys, at this point you are clicking on CapCut. Click on new project. Let us use this video as a background, so you import it to the workspace. Click on that volume sign there. Let us silence the volume. So click here now. You go and look for freeze. All right, look for a background that is preferably to you. I freeze here because I want to use this one. Click this one and delete it. Click the last part and delete it. Click on this background now and drag it to the duration of your video. After dragging it, you are going to be coming back to expound it. All right, so that I will look for the part I want. I will expound it. All right, I want to use the staircase part. This part is okay for me. So at this point now, this is how it's going to look. Then you come back. We are going to be clicking on overlay. All right, so locate overlay, then click overlay, add overlay. Now click on this photo, import your shoe to the workspace. All right, this is your shoe, so expound it and make it to fit the screen. Go and look for duplicate. We are going to be duplicating it. All right, locate duplicate, then you duplicate this part. So at this point you come back and click it. Guys, at this point, tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. Drop them at the comment section. You might be lucky we pick your own. And if you have found this video valuable, smash your like button. All right, and I want to encourage you, there is still so many things to take home from this video. Watch this video to the end, because at the end part of this video we shall be revealing an important secret to you. All right, so make sure you watch this video to the end. All right, and if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, welcome back to this tutorial. At this point guys, go and look for remove BG. All right, click on remove BG now, custom removal. Then you resize this your brush size. After resizing it, you click on brush. Then you are going to come and brush this your shoe out, one leg of it. Brush this right side first, brush it. After brushing it, okay, you are going to allow it to remove. When you see that green up here, then you can now mark this good. All right, allow it to remove. You mark on this good. Look at the result of the shoe now. Then you are going to come and click this second part here. Click this second one and drag it under this one. So drag it, you still click it and look for remove BG again. Okay, locate remove BG again, click on remove BG for the second time, custom removal. Still come and mark out this left part of the shoe. Still mark out the left side. After marking it out, you allow it to remove. Then you are going to be marking on the good to go back. All right, like we did to the other one. You mark on the good, look at it and remove, look at the result. So at this point, the next thing is to click it and drag it to cover that background. After dragging this one, you come back and drag the other one. Click on this one and still drag it to the length of the other one. After which you are going to be coming back, make the two shoes to stay in one position. Then you can now do your necessary adjustment. You can decide to reduce it, you can decide to make it bigger, depending on what you want to achieve. Then after positioning them, now look at what I am doing. After doing our positioning, the next thing we are going to be doing is to come and add keyframe, because we need keyframe to make this shoe move. We need keyframe, so do your necessary adjustment, after which you are going to come and be adding keyframe at the very last layer. We start with the last layer. All right, so add keyframe. As you add keyframe now, you adjust a little bit and drag the shoe up. As you drag the shoe up, you still adjust again. You adjust, you give yourself a little gap, you drag the shoe down All right, you come to the second layer, the up one, still come and add your keyframe, adjust it small, you drag the shoe up, then you give a little gap again, still drag the shoe down and shift it to the front so that it will be at the front of this very first one you drag. Then you add key again, you adjust it, you drag this one up again. All right, then you give a little gap, you still drag it down, make it to stay at the front of this one small. You can see what I am doing. So this is the line you are going to take. You take it precept upon precept. Follow what I am doing here. But we don't want this video to be too long, so small time now we are going to be fast forwarding it because we don't want the video to be too long. All right, look at what I am doing. You do it gradually. Okay, you first add your key, adjust it small, you drag it up, adjust it a little bit again, you bring it down till this point. Now look at it. Then after this last one, now we are going to be playing it to see what we have got. So you play it, let us see what we have got. Good, look at it. Your shoe is now working by itself. Is this not good? This is nice. The beauty part of it is that you can only do this with your hand phone and your CapCut app in your phone, within your comfort, in your own house or in your office at your free time. So look at the video. At this point now, we click here to remove the unwanted part. Make a split at the last part as well. Delete these last ones because we don't need them again. So our video is ready. What will be remaining now is to export it to a gallery and share it to our social media handles. But don't forget to add your sound effects and every other effect you need here. After which now, the next thing is to export your video. But you are saying I don't know how to add my sound effect and every other effect. DM me, I am going to put you through on how to do that. After that, now you click on export, then you allow this video to export to your gallery. As you can see that the video is exporting. Now this video have been stored in your gallery, can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but guys, tell us what magic effect you would want us to create next and air your view. Your opinion is very paramount and very important. Tell us what you think about this video. Tell us what you feel. Tell us what is not right. Tell us what is not good. All right. All right. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials.
Okay, how to add sound to your video, guys? You click on audio, you click on sound. Look at sound there, you click it. Click on this search bar here. You click on search bar, then you write anything of your choice. Horror, sound, anything, whatever you want to write, you can write it. I decided to write on effect. After writing effect, I search. These are different sounds here. Then you can be clicking it to locate the one you want. All right. By the time you see the one you want, you can click on this plus here to add it. Make sure you have enough network when doing this. Let's say we want to use this one, click on this plus now, then you add it. Look at the sound here. So that is how to sort your sounds, guys. So any sound you want to use, that is how to sort your sounds. All right, this is the benefit of watching this video to the end. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.